Hi, everyone, and welcome back to this course where we learn Fusion 360 together. In this lecture, I want to show you this command under modify that is called shell. So while we learn this, we are going to build a vase that looks like this. I'm going to close this, or you know what? Let me just open a new sketch here, and I'm gonna add a sketch, and here is just a quick line for the base. I'm gonna do this one 25. You can change the size however you like. Now I'm gonna add another line. This one is gonna represent the height of the vase. I'm gonna do 75. That looks good. So I will also add one more line for the top. Let's do how about 20? Of course, you can change these, like I said, make the size you like. Let me zoom in a little bit so you can see better. And I'm going to delete these so you can see. I'm going to use this spline tool to connect. You can see here, I'm going to go out a little bit and then boom. That looks good. I will leave it there. And then I have my sketch. I'm going to click finish sketch and let me go to the home. First, I have my sketch. I'm going to use this Revolve tool that we did go over in a previous video. By the way, if you're new here, this is a full course series, so I recommend you start from the beginning. I'm going to choose the Revolve tool, selecting my profile here. Then I'm choosing the middle line for the axis. This is going to revolve that profile on its own 360 degrees. Then I will click OK. Now I have my vase, but you can see there's no hole. So obviously we can, well, let me show you here really quick. We can extrude this inside, but you can see it's not cutting along the wall edges. So you'll have like a thick point in the vase, and that's not what we want. So I'm going to click escape because that's not the tool we are going to be using. And instead, we're going to use this shell tool. I'm going to click shell, choose this face just like the extrude. And now I tell it, you can see here on the window that we have on the side, I tell it to the inside. And for the distance, I'm going to do 2 millimeters. Of course, you can adjust this as you see fit. Click OK. And there it is. Our vase is done. And that's how the shell command works. You can see it did cut that alongside the wall. This is the bottom part here. Now, if you're gonna really 3D print this, be careful with the how much you want to go outside here because you might have an overhang that the printer might not be able to pull off. So be careful with how far you want to go out and make sure it's not more than it's within the 45-degree angle that the printer can handle. So this is it for this one. Really quick, nice command, and we have a nice vase out of it. So I'll leave it there. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.